All right, everybody, I'm BJ from the 478. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. And today I want to talk to you about a good YouTube customer of mine that watched some of my videos and checked me out. He's from Indiana, and he had his car trailer all the way down here to Middle Georgia so I can work on it. Let's check it out. This is a very clean car. It's gonna be even better once I get my hands on it. So it's got 26-inch forgiato wheels. I think they float, but it's got the big caps on there. It looks clean. It's a little dirty. They got a ran through some rain on the back of the trailer coming down. But I'll get my detail guy. He'll clean that up and all that good stuff. But the most part, this is a classic. This Caprice is clean as I don't know what. The paint job is good on it. The trunk, we're gonna go ahead and put a trunk kit in it and everything, but I'll build the rear panels. I'll do my dash speakers, my dash pod. That way we can keep everything nice and clean. I'll put a retro style radio in here. But I'll reach back out to him because if I'm not mistaken, we're gonna keep that radio, probably put a console here. If I do the dash plate and this one right here, some of them on the dash have the little 3 inches up there for that piece. They have the 6x9 slot here. And probably what I'll do is I'll put tweeters there and put 4 mid-ranges in there. So that way it'll break it up a little bit. And it should be nice and clean and very loud because it's going to hit off that window. And by hitting off that window, I wouldn't necessarily have to go through and put anything down there because it's just, it'll be a little bit on the overkill side and you probably wouldn't hear them. So now in the back, what I'll do, and I just ordered a new CNC machine, so people, we're going to try it out because I'll scan these pieces right here. And instead of having to use the actual customer's factory, hopefully I can get it to where it will make one of these, and then I can just build off the ones I make, or remake them, and then you got your aftermarkets too. So we shall see. And probably down here it's nice and clean. I'll probably just make the plate matched up vinyl going back with the interior here, or just the 6x9s, who knows. I'll reach back out to them in a few once I come up with everything. And man, this net right here is fly. I've yet to see this net, and I swear to you, it looks the part. Well taken care of. I love this top too. So nice clean car. I'm not gonna butcher and not gonna chop it up to where I can't go in here and have it all looking jacked up. We're gonna try to keep it more original than anything, because these pieces, people, are harder and harder to find. They're harder and harder to find nice clean cars like this, and you want to kind of keep it nice and clean. So he brung it to me. He reached out to me, and he reached out to me during income tax season, and to be honest, people, I was swamped. I had a lot more going on than I wanted to, but he was patient, and patient is key dealing with me. And I got him in. We set a date, and so now what I'm end up doing is going through it, and maybe you can be next. Just reach out to me. I'm in Centerville, Georgia. I'm over here in OCD Audio LLC. See the sign up here? That's all my personal information, my Gmail, my Instagram, my YouTube. Check me out. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. Maybe you could be next. All you have to do is just reach out to me. I greatly appreciate you tuning in. And this is episode 1. Next thing we're gonna do on episode 2 is we're gonna go ahead and show you the plans on, once we come up with an agreement, what he wants done and what I want to do. We go from there. Thank you. I like these wheels. Yeah, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. It's not gonna do itself. Let's get to it.